Welcome to the D for Debugging YouTube channel. So to start with first, we will run our application directly from Application Path and Trick. To open application from VS 2022 is right-click any open file and then select Open Containing Folder. It will open folder in which our file is present. And then navigate to Application Path, which is in our case is Debug folder. Then we will start our application cdapp1.exe. In this video we are going to learn different tricks and shortcut which can use while debugging C++ application. Once application is started, it will ask for user input. Then we will enter 10 and enter. After passing value it will print 10 random numbers on console. Now our application is running. We will debug our application using attach to process method. So shortcut to open attach to process method is Ctrl+Alt+P, or from menu debug-attach to process. Now we will attach to process from menu debug-attach to process. Once we click attached, then it will show all running process. In search box type cdapp our application name and select and click attach or press enter. After attaching to the process, we will verify application is attached to process is success or not. By setting temporary breakpoint, shortcut to set breakpoint is F9 or from menu debug-toggle breakpoint. If breakpoint is set properly, then only we can debug, else we have to check PDB file and application path is present or not, or need to rebuild our application and generate new PDB file and application path and run it again and try attach to process again. Shortcut to disable single breakpoint is Alt+F9, and to disable all breakpoint Ctrl+Shift+F9. After setting breakpoint, we go into application and we again pass value 10 as the input parameter to application, and after hitting enter our breakpoint will hit. Yellow arrow in breakpoint indicates breakpoint is hit. If we scroll over variable name we can see the value assigned to variable. To execute current line press F10. Shortcut to execute current line or step over and move to next line. To skip while loop or to come out of while loop, we set another breakpoint on line after where while loop is finished. In our case we set breakpoint on for loop line using F9 or by directly click on left of screen where line number 27. After setting breakpoint on line 27, we can come out while loop by pressing F5 key. Shortcut to move to next breakpoint in current execution flow. To re-execute previous block code, go to the line from where you want to re-execute, click on line, right-click -set next statement or shortcut Ctrl+Shift+10. After clicking on set next statement, it will start again execute from that line. Using this option, we can re-execute same line of code multiple times with different values without restarting application. Now we will detach or stop debugging by click on square red button or shortcut Shift plus F5. Or from menu Debug-Stop Debugging. After detaching, we will modify our code, adding one line of code to clear data from vector. And then we rebuild our application using shortcut Ctrl plus B. Our build was failed because we have started application from debug folder and from same folder application is running. So first we will close running application and we will again build application using shortcut Ctrl plus B. Now our application is built successfully without any error. We now again start our application in debug mode by clicking on local Windows debugger or from shortcut F5. We have already two breakpoint on line 20 and on line 27. Here we have passed input parameter value as 1. And breakpoint on line 20 is hit. Now in debug we are changing the value of variable ln_no of values. And assigning it new value 1 million. After assigning new value, while loop will execute for 1 million times and 1 million random values between 1-10 will be printed on console. As you can, 1 million random values are getting printed on application console. After printing values, breakpoint on line 31 will hit. And it clear the vector. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye, take care. And keep on debugging.